Hi everyone, my name is Christy Galbraith and I am currently teaching the EL students K through 12 at Idaho Virtual Academy. This is my 15th year teaching overall and my 5th year teaching virtually. I'm really enjoying my middle and high school students, and prior to working with them, my favorite grade to teach was 4th grade. So these are my two little kiddos that keep me busy at home. Drew is almost 8, and Clara just turned 6. And my husband, Andy, we took a family trip this summer on a houseboat to Lake Powell. That's why we're all wearing our Lake Powell shorts. And the photo itself was taken in Stanley, Idaho, which is one of our favorite places to go in the summer. We love keeping busy with fishing and being outdoors and being in the water. In fact, this holiday season, we were able to visit our family in San Diego, and we were actually frolicking in the ocean on Christmas Eve, which was such a wonderful, warm activity to do after being so cold this last fall and winter in Idaho. So I look forward to diving into math and getting to know all of you in my group. Thanks so much.